Okay, this is the phone. The first thing you have to do, you have to take out the two screws at the back of the phone here. Okay, then you just use the pencil, you just put it in between the metal and the screen. Then you set it up like this. Okay, don't push the pencil that much inside, just do it halfway like this. The connector is this side by the volume side, so you have to be careful this side so you don't spoil any connector this side. Okay, then open it from this side. Okay, then you have to remove all this 4 screws here to take out this panel. Make sure you put them all different places because sometimes these screws are not the same. Take out this panel. Okay, and you lose the one to the battery also with the LCD. Take out all the 2 screws. Take out this panel, disconnect the battery, and disconnect the LCD cable. If you use the pencil, don't push it that much inside so you don't spoil any component, just put it halfway. Okay, and take out the LCD. The LCD have 2 cables. Okay, then disconnect the speaker up. This one. Okay. Now you need to remove the speaker and transfer it to the new LCD. The screws are not the same, so you have to have the right screwdriver for the right screw. And make sure you put them in different places because the screws are not the same. Remove this small screw here. Okay, take out the speaker slowly, don't force to open it because there's a connector here that goes to the mic and the sensor. You remove the sensor. Okay, there's another sensor here, you take it out, and the mic is here. You have to be careful because the glue is under, so you have to put the sensor right, the fingerprint, the pencil right down so you can is the mic because the mic have some glue under. Okay, you take it out, then you just replace it here the same way how you take it out from the old LCD. Make sure you fix the sensor first inside like this. Okay, you fix the mic position, the glue is already there, so just make it rest to the right position. Okay, you fix this other sensor. Okay, then you put the speaker on top. Okay, now you need to replace back the screw exactly how you take it. Place this one down here also. Okay, now I need to replace the small one. Make sure you're very skillful to do it. You have to do it slowly, don't force to do it so you don't make the screw missing. Make sure you replace all the screw. After you place the screw, okay, now it's time to fix on the motherboard. Make sure the battery is disconnected. Okay, you fix the first connector. Make sure you have the right position before you press it in. Don't press it in if you don't have the right position so you don't spoil the motherboard. You fix the other one. Make sure you coax your hand so you can get the right position, then you press in. Okay, then you fix the speaker. The same thing also, make sure you have the right position before you press in. Okay, before you fix the battery. Okay, okay, then you fix this back over. Make sure this clip here is supposed to go inside the metal here before you rest it. And replace all the screw you take out from there. It's 4 screws. Put the cover also on the battery side with the connector. Okay, then you lay the LCD. You start from the top. Make sure the top is rest properly first before you put it down. Okay, then you squeeze it down, increase the window. Okay, then you place back the 2 screws you take out from down here. Okay, now you can on the phone to try the LCD. Charge. Now you just put on charge so you can try the LCD and see if it's okay. It's on charge. Okay, the LCD is on. That means the LCD is okay. That means it's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.